Here we are at Great Harbor Key, and I think this is called Sandy Beach, Shell Beach, Shelling Beach. So we're just sitting here on the beach. There's John and Candy.
Wait. Hey.
And
Mr. Ray out there. Ray, call me Ray.
there's Mark, Allie, Candy. And if you can see over there, there's a little shadow in the water. That's a stingray swimming. Allison went and investigated him, and I think he got a little too close to her, and she came back. But this is our own private beach today.
There he is. Crab. Watch him, he disappears. There you go, buddy.
Oh, he's gonna fight you.
He says, you mother.
Yeah, isn't he?
Grab him in the back. So now watch him disappear.
Watch him disappear.
It's crazy. And then we got the other crab over here. Fighting the crab.